Yo, what is up YouTube? It's me Nytrix, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a GUI open with a part. So when a part is touched. So first you want to go to view and make sure Explorer and properties are open. And then you want to go to home and then add a part, or go to Explorer and add a part from here. Go to workspace plus sign, and then I just go add a part. And then anchor that part and press scale and then scale it. So make it into a square like that. Place it wherever you want, over here. And then the part can just be named part. You don't need to rename it. And just add another part and then anchor it. So first I'm just gonna go back to this part and then change the color to white. You can change it to any color you want. And then after that, the other part I added, put it over here and make sure it's just one. Just put it in the middle so it looks like this. This is the part that's gonna be touched from the player. So go to Explorer and rename that part to touch part. So it should look like that. And then just make it more bigger like this. And then you're just gonna change this to go to for this part, go to the properties and change the transparency to 1. So it looks like that. Then you want to go to Explorer, start a UI, add a screen UI, and then add a frame, and in that frame add a text button. So, put the frame wherever you want, put over here, and the text button. The text button is gonna be the X where you like close the frame. So just put it in here in the corner, X. Go to properties with that text button, scroll down until you see text scaled, check that, and then you don't need to rename anything. Add a local script in the frame and add a local script in the text button. Delete whatever's inside it, and then you want to go to the bottom of the description or the comment section, and then copy the first script and put it over here. So it should look like this. So in the frame local script, this script 1 should look like this for the local script. And then for the text one, copy the second script and paste it over here. So it should look like this. The text button local script should look like this, the second one, in the comment section on the description. And then after that, you want to go press frame, go properties, scroll down to see visible and make it false. So uncheck it. And then if you go and press play and you walk to that part, the frame will open and you can just press the X to close it like that. But if you're like doing, I had a comment saying that he wanted to open, like there's two teams and there was like, one side to open a frame, the other side open a different frame. If you want to do that, all you need to do is go to Explore and just duplicate both of these. So go here and then select all of them and duplicate it, Control D, and just do over here. All you need to do is change the part name for this one. So this is touch part, and you can just make this touch part 1. So go to properties for the give me a second. Go to properties for that part and change it to maybe touch part 1. You can change it whatever you want. Just has to be the same for the local script. So if you go here, since you're gonna do two frames for different teams, just make another GUI. And then the frame. If you're gonna use a scrolling frame, just add a scrolling frame, but then rename it to frame. So I'll just use it for this example. And just put everything in it like that. Uh, then like that, right? Then you see the X button right there, right? And then I just make it visible to false. Go to properties with that frame and make it false. It looks like that. And for the final touch, you do need to change the code for frame. So since this is the one that opens touch part, this is gonna open touch part 1, but the code only reads the thing. So go to the second GUI you made and go to the frame local script, and then you'll see here touch part. You just want to change that to 1. You see here that these two parts are here. just change the second GUI to touch part one. Now if I go and press play again, I can go here and open touch part one part sorry, just touch part, and it'll open this frame GUI thing. And if I go over here, it'll open the scrolling frame. Because I renamed this one to touch part, remember? And this one changed to touch part one. So we'll just go here and then open this. And this one is just a frame. This is the scrolling. But remember to rename the scrolling frame to frame because the script only reads by frame. Mm, And I don't think it'll just read by scrolling frame. You'll see here. Um, yeah, and then you see that we renamed touch part one and renamed over here in the first UI. Open the frame. The frame has touch part. So yeah, that's it. That's all you do. So make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more Roblox tutorials. Peace.